Hello and welcome to Business Reporter's The Future of Banking and Financial Services campaign. I'm Alistair Greener. Open finance is progressively changing the way we pay, invest and bank. Open banking regulations and nimble online technologies now enable an unprecedented level of connectivity between different services and accounts. Seamless digital customer experience and plummeting transaction costs are propelling these open digital finance solutions into the mainstream. Any business that accepts online payments could reap the benefits. So why shouldn't you? We've invited Francesco Simoneschi, CEO of TrueLayer, to tell us the why and the how. Good morning.
Good morning.
Open banking is becoming more and more established. So what innovations have we got to come?
So open banking was about opening up your current account, which was a great innovation. That said, your financial life is also about your mortgage, your pension, your investments, your insurance. So the next stage will actually be about opening up all those other different aspects of your financial life, and we call that open finance. That said, open banking in itself, it's not done yet. We have to absolutely continue to invest in improving all the different aspects of open banking, very much about porting critical features like payments into massive market like subscription businesses and e-commerce. I want to see at the future and imagine that open banking is going to serve all those other big pockets of value.
What about any other examples that there might be of typical use cases?
There are three fundamental use cases. The first one is about instant, cheap, and secure bank payments. The second one is about using your bank data to help you save money and create very customized and contextual financial experiences. The third one is about digitalizing your onboarding process by removing unnecessary paperwork or inefficiencies out of that journey. And instead of sharing paperwork, you're actually connecting your bank account and transferring information digitally so that the onboarding experience is smooth and seamless for consumers.
It certainly seems to make sense, but when it comes to return on investment, what's in it for businesses and consumers?
The most visible return on investment is on the amount of fees that businesses can save by switching from card-based payments to open banking-based payments. We're talking about something north of 80% savings for businesses that use open banking for accepting payments. It's millions of pounds at the end of the year. But think also about the kind of convenience and new ways of engaging with consumers that you can gain from using open banking and embedding finance into your customer flow. Eventually, the ultimate beneficiaries of this kind of innovation are consumers. And hopefully they are going to access this new wealth of optionality and price convenience that is going to be offered in the marketplace by digital innovators.
And what are the businesses or sectors that would benefit most from open finance?
Digital banking, wealth management, but also very much big technology companies like Google or Facebook are gonna take open finance, open banking, and embed those digital financial experience into their consumer flows. This will create a very contextualized, very real-time, and very bespoke experience, and cheaper access to financial services for millions of consumers.
Tell us a bit more about TrueLayer, where you fit into this environment and the kind of solutions that you're offering.
TrueLayer makes easy to integrate financial services, for instance, like open finance, into any app, any website, anywhere in the world. For example, if you are a user of Revolut, you're actually using TrueLayer behind the scene. We are the mechanism that moves money from your main high street bank account into the Revolut digital wallet. Our mission is to open up finance so that businesses can innovate and consumers can take more control of their finances.
With benefits like that, it's easy to see why the whole world seems to be moving in this direction. What about the future? Where do you see your industry in, say, the next 5, 10 years?
The big trend is about embedding finance into every consumer experience out there. Every business can potentially be a fintech company. And open finance will be really a catalyst, an acceleration of this transformation in the next few years. It also means that different elements of consumer experiences, think about payments, identity, or personal data, is actually converging into a single digital channel that application can use to streamline the overall consumer experience.
How long do you think it'll be before open finance completely disrupts payments?
I believe that in the next 10 years, open finance is going to be the default option for every payment flow. It's faster, is cheaper, and provides way better consumer experience.
Well, lots of change on the way, and it certainly sounds very exciting. It's been great finding out more. Francesco Simoneschi from TrueLayer, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.